Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2016 Nissan Maxima Platinum that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest vehicles coming on trade. This Maxima is no exception. The Platinum trim level is the range topping trim level for the Maxima line. So this is equipped with just about every available option you can get in 2016. There's not too much else that it doesn't have that it has already. We have the original build sheet on it too, so if you want a copy we can email you one or print you one up when you come in. I'll pop one up on the video so you can take a little bit better look than the way it looks on camera there. So starting off with the seats, the Platinum comes with these beautiful leather seats. Notice a nice diamond quilting patterns on them. They're also zero gravity, very comfortable. So the idea about zero gravity seats, there's no pressure points. So, you know, sometimes if you sit in a seat a long time, there might be points on your back, pressure points in your back or your bottom that kind of start getting sore and stuff like that. Well, the whole idea about zero gravity seats, it's supposed to evenly kind of spread out the whole, you know, your weight amongst your whole body on your bottom and back, so there's no pressure points, making it a lot more comfortable. We have heated and air conditioned front seats. There's a drive mode selector that'll make changes to steering effort and the way the transmission and the engine behave. Generally in sport mode, the engine will maybe rev a little bit higher, and you'll get simulated performance shifting from the CVT transmission. CVT transmissions have an almost infinite amount of gear ratios. They operate a little bit differently than a regular conventional automatic, but for performance driving they do simulate gear changes just for a little bit more of a performance feel. That's kind of like what we're used to. Nice contrast stitching throughout the interior, mahogany wood trim. This one also has a navigation system. It has a 360-degree around view monitor, automatic dimming mirror of universal garage door opener. We have two sunroofs. One opens, one is just a glass roof panel, and you also have sunshades to dim things down if it gets too bright, which we're not in any danger right now. Nice flat bottom steering wheel. It's also leather wrapped. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, lots of great safety features. This one has 64,885 miles at the time of making this video. We have a heated steering wheel. We also have a power rear sunshade. Really nice color combination in blue on tan leather. You have the nice premium alloy wheels with a platinum trim package as well. This one has tinted windows. The Maxima is Nissan's flagship luxury sedan, so it's their nicest and largest sedan. Lots of rear seat space. I'm 6'2". I have that front seat adjusted for my height. I have a ton of legroom, headroom, shoulder room back here. Very comfortable spot for 4 full-size adults, and obviously you can fit 5 in a pinch. Also a generously sized trunk as well. Nice trunklet spoiler, beautiful curvaceous body in the Maxima. Really is an eye-catching vehicle. Nice, beautiful lines. This one has been serviced and checked by our Nissan certified techs. Nissan is our parent company, so our Infiniti techs are also Nissan certified. Really is a really handsomely styled vehicle. One of the best parts of the Maxima is the 3.5 liter V6. It's an award-winning engine. It makes 300 horsepower. They've been making these engines for a long time. They've been improving them, upgrading them. They've been using these 3.5 liters V6s, variations of them, since like the early 2000s. My 05 G35 has a variation of this engine. I've seen plenty of these engines go 200 and 300,000 miles. First major tune-up's not till 105,000 miles. Thanks to timing change, you never need to worry about the cost replacement of timing belts. Those timing changes are zero maintenance, and they're designed to last the service life of the engine, which incidentally is 300,000 miles. So if you're looking for a nice, reliable vehicle, the Maxima with the VQ35 engine has one of the best V6s in America. Don't take my word for it, do some research and you'll find lots of wonderful accolades about the VQ35 V6 engine. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.